My name is Chef Cody Lindsay from thewellnesssoldier.com, coming to you all the way from Canada, and today we are going to be making a delicious magical munchie. We are going to be making a triple chocolate death cake. Woo! It's going to be so good. We're going to have chocolate cake, we're going to have chocolate buttercream icing, and then it's going to be layered with some chocolate ganache on top. We're going to go 4 layers. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to get into it. You're going to be munching out. Might as well treat yourself and treat yourself to a nice, delicious chocolate treat. First, we're going to start with the chocolate cake. And again, we got our 2 cups of flour in the bowl to start. We have our 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. We have just a little pinch of salt. Then we got our baking soda, and we have our baking powder. Best to mix it up now, because you don't want to do it when the eggs and wet ingredients go in, because it will have the chance to over-mix the flour, giving you a dense, hard cake. And nobody wants a dense, hard cake. We want a nice, soft, fluffy cake. We got our dry ingredients already mixed up. We're just going to take our cannabis out of the way here. We got our milk, 2 eggs. We have our yummy, delicious cannabis oil made in the Magical Butter machine. We're going to take our wet ingredients and just make sure they're nicely mixed together. So that way when we add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, all we're doing is just slowly mixing it in, blending it in just so it's nicely mixed, and then it's not going to be an overly hard doughy dough, or batter, I guess, because we're making cake. Oh, and you know it's going to make a nice, delicious, fluffy cake. Like I said, I couldn't find any round cake pans, so today we are making square cake. Hey, it is what it is, man. So if you ever do run into this problem, a good thing to do is just take some parchment paper, put it in the bottom of the pan, because then again, once it's cooked, you're just going to be able to lift it out and be done. So take your chocolate cake mix and pour it into the pan. A little chef trick. Give it a little pop down. Make sure all the air bubbles come out. And we are ready for the oven. 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Let's get it. Good thing I already have one made. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna top the top so it's nice and flat. And then we're just gonna take it and cut it in half. And there we have it, 2 equal parts. I'll do the same thing to the other side. Speechless. I don't even know. Absolute chocolate overload. This is for the chocolate lovers out there. Quadruple layer, triple chocolate death cake. We got the chocolate fudge cake. We got the chocolate buttercream icing. We got the chocolate ganache. And we got a little cocoa powder on top just to bring it all together. My name is Chef Cody Lindsay from thewellnesssoldier.com. If you want to learn more about cooking with cannabis, please visit thewellnesssoldier.com or the Wellness Soldier YouTube channel. Chef Cody out.